What up, Facebook, Instagram, motherfucking Twitter? Shit, open your ears to fucking mixtape. Coming soon, nigga. GME Wob Up, nigga. Shout out to COD. Look, something for y'all, man. Show y'all still be doing this shit right here. Look. Niggas hate me, that's okay. Been rapping since 08. My glasses say Dolce. Got a Spanish switch named Jorge. Got some young niggas, they hold weight. In the wintertime, I'm toasty. With a bad bitch, she on me. Her fragrance by Olay. My good nigga on Gucci. My belt nigga say Gucci. 2 L's nigga, no Cool J. Got flame nigga, no Luke Kane. It's Wild Squad, no fool gang. Y'all fuck boys, y'all too lame. I'm swerving in 2 lanes. Fuck 12, say no names. Getting this money and stacking this bread. Y'all niggas are shooters, we bucking that leg. You wearing these vests, we aiming for heads. You niggas is pussy, you niggas is scared. Polo my jacket, she liking my fit. Trying to get rich, broken this bitch. Catch the switch, re-up again. Flexing on me, never living again. Fuck your bitch and never hit it again. Got some drop, then I hit it again. Then I hit it again. Got some drop, then I hit it again. Fuck. Yeah, open your ears, the mixtape coming soon, man. Straight up. Fuck y'all.